Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to catch a Pokemon in Pokemon Go. To catch a Pokemon in Pokemon Go, first of all make sure that you're connected to the internet and the GPS is enabled on your mobile device. Now launch the Pokemon Go app on your phone and then once you end up in this screen, walk around in real time to explore nearby areas. A wild Pokemon will appear randomly on the map. After you find the Pokemon, tap on it and then you will come across this interface. When the Pokemon appears on the screen, go ahead and hold and swipe the Pokeball upwards towards the Pokemon like this. After you do that, you will be able to catch the Pokemon. If the Pokemon escapes, then you can also lure the Pokemon out by sending berries so that it makes it easier to catch the Pokemon. The new Pokemon is now registered to your Pokédex. You can rename it, evolve it, power it up, or flex it on your next gym battle. So that's how you can easily catch a Pokemon in Pokemon Go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.